How to see who views your Facebook profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be discussing whether or not it is possible for us to view who has viewed our Facebook profile. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So unlike TikTok and unlike other applications out there, Facebook currently does not offer you any such ways where you can directly view the list of your profile viewers. On TikTok, how it works is that if you turn on profile views, you will be able to actually implement that feature, but on Facebook so far, such type of feature has not yet been implemented. However, there are still some alternatives that I can give you on how you can hopefully figure out if someone has viewed your Facebook profile. One of the measures is that, let's say that your account is actually public, right, and that you basically use a public account. In that case, what you do is you, let's say, constantly try to upload stories and so on, and when you constantly upload stories, because your story is actually public, if you suddenly see a new person right under your story viewing tab, then that person could have possibly viewed your profile, and this is one of the ways to figure it out. Hopefully in the future, if Facebook might implement a feature where they will be able to give you the option to actually view who has viewed your profile, then I will make sure to update you about it. So far Facebook has not offered such feature, and if you see any types of website or services promising to offer you such type of feature in a certain amount of price, then do not fall for it, because you're only likely leading yourself to become a scam victim. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.